In this video, I'm going to show you how to claim website and Pinterest for Shopify. Let's get started. So in order to do this, as you can see, I'm on the Pinterest right here. What we can do is we can click on our profile icon right here, and then you should be able to see in here the account and more options. Click on the settings right here, and then you can see this here, the claimed accounts. So click on the claim accounts, you can see in here the websites. So click on claim, and then this will open this window that you can choose how to claim. So for me, I'll just add an HTML tag. I just click on this right here to copy it. Now, once I have copied it, I can head over in here on my Shopify. Then from in here, just scroll down until I can see these three dots right here under the dot. So click on the three dots. We'll click on this edit code. And then you can see in here some complex code that you have. But fret not, just head over to here on our search file and then just search in here for this open parentheses and then head. Then you can just search for that right here, or you can also say search in here on this actual thing right here. So you can also put in here some new layouts, like for example on this one and also on this one. So you can just head over and search for that right here. And then once you have searched for that specific thing right here, you should be able to just put in here the head. So if you can find the head, you can also just scroll down, and once you have seen it, you should be able to add it right here. Now, if you can find this in here, you can find it on another things like this one. So once you have found the head, you should be able to paste it right here. So for example, as you can see, I'm on the product JSON. So I can head over and then click on the Steam Liquid. And under the Steam Liquid, let's search in here for the head. So here's the head right here. So let's put it down a few things, and then let's paste in here what we have copied. This is the HTML, so click on save after that. Then once you have saved on it, you should be able to claim your Pinterest. Now click on continue. Now you just need to put in here your website on Shopify in order to verify the claiming process. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, below, or subscribe because this helps reach more people. See you soon.